If your toilet does this when no one's using it, then there's a good chance the flapper valve is leaking. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the flapper valve and stop your toilet from running. You can confirm that the problem is the flapper by shutting off the water and checking the level in the tank about 10 or 15 minutes later. If the level drops, then water is leaking past the flapper. One quick thing here, make sure that the chain has a little bit of slack. If the chain's too tight, then that could prevent the flapper from seating properly. But if your level dropped and the chain is not too tight, then the problem is your flapper valve. Here's what you need to do to change it out. Start by shutting off the water to the toilet. Remove the tank lid and flush the toilet to empty the tank. Here's what it looks like inside the tank. Disconnect the chain from the flush lever. Unsnap the flapper from the small pins on each side of the overflow tube. It just pulls off. This forked piece is what clips onto those pins. Take the new flapper and slide it into place, lining up the holes with the pins on the overflow tube. Reconnect the chain to the flush lever. Turn the water back on and let the tank refill. On the first flush, this chain is too long and the flapper isn't lifting all the way. I'm going to shorten the chain by moving the hook up a few lengths and then reattach it to the lever. So I'll let the tank refill and flush it again. It's better, but still not quite right. So I'm going to shorten it just a little bit more. Now when we flush, the flapper lifts fully and the toilet flushes properly. That's all there is to replacing a toilet flapper valve. It's a simple, inexpensive fix that solves a lot of running toilet problems. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please click that like button down below. Also, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks again.